of this video will show how to make delicious homemade enchiladas using simple ingredients and clean cooking techniques.
And finely chopping the vegetables helps release flavor and creates a balanced enchilada filling.
Pour the oil into a heated pan, then add the chopped vegetables. Sauté over medium heat until they soften and become aromatic. Proper seasoning is key to building that bold and savory flavor enchiladas are known for.
Simmering allows the sauce and filling to combine, creating a rich and juicy texture. The heat makes the tortillas flexible. This prevents them from breaking when you roll them.
By evenly filling each tortilla like this, you ensure a perfect taste in every single bite.
Place them in the dish, cover completely with sauce, and bake until the cheese melts and turns golden. Fresh from the oven and ready to eat. We hope you enjoy this comforting homemade recipe.